Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all doing? It's day 73 of the 5 a.m. challenge. So, I am right now in my hometown and I am visiting my hometown like after almost 6 months this time. But it was a very impromptu plan because one of my earlier plans got cancelled for this long weekend of 15th August. But and then there was a lot of work that was going on in my job schedule also, so I couldn't get time. I've been reading a very beautiful book gifted to me recently by someone, and there was a beautiful saying that was written in it regarding perfection. All of our lives, we just keep on trying to make things perfect, to land at perfect things. If there are imperfections, we either try to avoid it or we try to make things back into the perfect scenario every time. So there was this monk who had actually built a wall, and there were two big bricks, essentially, which he placed, and they were not aligned to the rest of the bricks. But he did not notice it until the whole wall was built. And the moment he saw it, once the whole wall was built, he started, just focusing on those two bricks and not on the rest of the 500 big bricks or whatever it is to have that wall. And for almost years together, he would just say that, let me just break this wall and all, but it was the necessity, so nobody let him break that wall. Once a person came into his room, and he just said that you have built a beautiful wall. And he told him that, can't you see these two walls, bricks, which are actually misplaced? So he mentioned, but I can see the rest of the 498 bricks which you have actually placed nicely. So that is the learning, my dear fellows, that we focus more on the things which are not perfect in lives, and we do not zoom out our scenario, our vision, to like look at the overall life that is there is. So it's better to accept the messiness in life with all its imperfections, because that is perfect, that is what it has to be. Accept the imperfections, don't run behind making things perfect, and it will all be beautiful. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.